Hey everybody, welcome back to Plum Figgy. This is Tammy. Alright, so I have been really thinking, and I want to do another December daily. It's been 3 years, 4 years. I did one in 2020 and I did one in 2021, and then I've taken a break. It's a lot. My life has changed a lot, and I just, as you know, haven't had as much time to do the junk journaling and things. So anyway, but I've been rewatching some videos from those 2 years of doing my December daily, and I'm feeling very inspired, and especially from the 2021, I really enjoyed doing an altered book. And so I want to do that again. And so I've looked through my stash. I don't have as many older books that, well, first of all, I know whatever book I choose is going to really bulk up a lot because, as you can see, I've got all kinds of paper. I have been looking for this folder for the longest time. I don't know if you remember it, but it's still here. These are basically the things that I used back in 2020 and 2021 to decorate my Christmas, my December daily with. So this is a big, huge mess of things, a lot of scraps. I think I had started some papers for doing actual junk journals, which may end up happening this year. I can tell you if that does happen, it will not be before December because we're gonna be gone for a few weeks here. So, but yeah, I've got these I pulled out from like a Reminisce magazine. Do you remember this? All this antique papery that I had prepared. Yeah, we've got, this is from, I think, I don't know, I want to say an old newspaper. I had originally planned to put this in my 2021 December daily. I guess it didn't make the cut. But all of these papers here, I mean, it's all a mess, but all of these papers I had done and printed for December daily 2020, and then kind of used them again in 2021. I'm not helping myself at all. And then I've printed off even more. Here, let me do this. There we go. Now you can see. So it's just kind of a hodgepodge from a bunch of different journaling digital kits that I've purchased over the years. These are a little bit more vintage, I guess. This is some from the Antique Papery. These are the Antique Papery. You can't get them anymore. I don't know why. And my printer didn't necessarily do a good job all the time. But I think I can save some of these by using some tea dye. It's a shame because these are absolutely gorgeous. And I definitely want to use them. So anyway, so I want to pull from here to, they're every which way. Do you even remember this? I printed this off in 3 different color tones. This one was on blue, tan, and white. I never did end up using these, but why wouldn't I want to now? So some of these are already tea dyed and ready to go. Like, oh, this from my 2020 December daily. The numbers, I still have some numbers from that. So I'm gonna pick and choose from all of this stuff, and kind of, I'm not buying anything. I'm not buying anything this year. First of all, we don't need to spend the extra money. I mean, especially I don't. I've got so much stuff. You have no idea. But yeah, this is, I think, the last one of this that I had printed out. I think it was the worst one with the printer issues. I'm going to try and use this because I just love these pictures, these images. Of course, I can print them again if I want to. I don't want to have to spend the money to do that. Well, first of all, my printer is been down and out for a while, and so I don't want to have to buy a new printer right now either. So, you know, it's a whole thing. But this is, I'm going to organize it better because it's very unruly and I can't work with it like this very well. But this is going to be my main source for my papers, my pages and things. Here, I'll put this over here. Hopefully it won't fall on the floor. This is a gorgeous bag, gift bag I've got from Tuesday Morning, back when we still had those back in 2016. So, you know, I've got this stuff in my stash. It's been there forever. It's gorgeous. Why not use it? So there's that. These are still the magazines that I had used in 2020 and 2021. Yes, they're slightly used. This one not as much as the others, but I'm gonna pull from here also and use that. This was the Somerset Studio that I didn't really use much of, but like stuff like this, I'm thinking maybe we can incorporate some of this kind of thing, maybe depending on the prompts, which I don't have the prompts sorted out yet. I'm gonna work on that. Actually, I think I'll have time as we're traveling to kind of maybe work on that. This one is heavily used, but I want to kind of just use it up. There's still some really great images in here, really my aesthetic. I can use things like this. I don't know what a yoki is, but maybe if I read that, I could figure that out. Christmas countdown. So there's all kinds of very usable, this is gorgeous, these ornaments. Very usable things here that I would like to incorporate. And then this was primarily from 2021, the Daphne's Diary. As you can see, it was well used, but again, I mean, there's still really, really pretty pictures in here, really usable things. So, so yeah, and the 2021 journal, I did a mixture of prompts and collage challenges, I guess, that Marguerite Miller had put together for a Christmas collage challenge idea. And so I think I'm gonna go and whatever collage challenges I didn't use from 2021, I think I'm gonna go grab those. They're already printed out. They're still in the back of my December daily from that year. And I'm gonna pull from those and try and use some of that stuff. From my stash, I have a whole box of Christmas things. This is just some of the stuff that I pulled out. I definitely want to incorporate this snowflake ornament. Where did I even get this from? Probably Hobby Lobby. It looks like it, yeah. I think that would be gorgeous on this cover. Don't you agree? Somehow. Some of this stuff I don't know that I'll use. I mean, some of it's, here, this is unsteady ground. Let me move this over. I've got a cascading avalanche of paper. This Snow and Cocoa is so pretty, and so pretty. It's really cute. I love it, but I don't know if it'll, who knows? Maybe I'll use it in this, but it's probably for a different journal, but it was in there. Stickers. Oh, this was an ornament card that I got. It's a pop-up card, I guess from Tuesday Morning. I forgot about that, so we can use that. I've got all kinds of Tim Holtz ephemera. These are the layers. It's Christmas Noel. Let's see, 2021. This is 2021 Christmas Noel ephemera pack. So from that same year. I've got recipe. I don't even know what these are. Winter Garden labels, it says. I don't even recognize this brand, but as you can see, I've got all kinds. I don't even know where I got this from, guys. It's in my stash. Why not use it up? This I pulled from, I think, for 2021 here and there. It's just a bunch of everything, it looks like. We've got these poinsettias stickers from Hobby Lobby. I love using these. They're always so pretty. I always buy some when I go every year because who knows, they may not make them forever. So as you can see, I've got plenty of the bigger ones, less of the smaller ones. It looks like I've got a bunch of paper scraps and things still from past journals. Maybe some ephemera that's already done. Looks like a little notepad here of some fun things. So, you know, maybe I'll incorporate some of that. Maybe I'll make another one. Some more Tim Holtz, the rub-ons. Stickers from Hobby Lobby. I didn't love all that. There's a lot going on there. But there's a lot of really good usable stickers in here. Some more Tim Holtz. So sticker book from 2020. A lot of vintage and words, and I feel like there was stuff in the back. Yeah, some words or letters, I mean. And a couple bigger ones. What's this? Some more stickers. So as you can see, I got plenty to choose from. 49 Market. I vaguely remember using some of this here and there. Another pack of leftover. Oh yes, this was from 2021 because I remember I was making the Christmas tree spreads. Some of this might just need to go in the trash, but yeah, leftovers there. Some more poinsettias. This one's from this last year, I think, 2023. How cute. Fa la la la. I want to say this is just random, yes, vintage Christmas images and things from a digital kit or more, or a few. Really pretty, and of course the random paper scraps from those, because you got to use that up. It's gorgeous stuff you can't get rid of. And then this, I don't think we'll be using this. This is from another digital kit, but a very different look and feel, which I still do want to make a Christmas journal out of this digital kit. I've got all the papers printed out too. Actually, maybe I'll put this off to the side because I know I won't use that. You know, we've got some more Tim Holtz stamps. I don't know. They may not be the right thing for this. Some doilies randomly. More Snow and Cocoa. Put that off to the side. And yeah, even more. This is not even scratching the surface, you guys. Like, I have too much. I have too much stuff. It's ridiculous. So I am super excited to use up some more of this. Like I said, I know I can't get it all in this one journal. There's no way. This book would not handle all of this stuff, even if I tried. But I am excited to do another December daily. Like I said, I feel like my life has changed quite a lot since I did one the last time. I feel like that's another reason why I didn't do one the last few years. It's just because I felt like with the prompts that I was working with or would work with, there wasn't enough difference between the ones that I had done in the year before, the 2 years before, to the current year. Some more stuff. We've got some Tim Holtz wreaths and adornments, it seems. Oh, I definitely need to use this thing. That's really cute. I do remember buying this and then being disappointed that I didn't use it. Some more Tim Holtz things. Holding on to dear life for some of this washi. This for sure. This is my absolute favorite washi. If he was to remake anything Christmas, I would love for him to redo this Christmas washi set. This was from a different, I think a Michaels collection. I have the paper pad over there. It randomly an ornament, star ornament, some pieces of wood, some more washi. So I've got plenty to work with here. I don't even know where that came from. That's old. It's not ever gonna stick, but that's what glue is for. So, all right, guys, I'm excited. I hope you're excited for Christmas this year. I'm going to go ahead and in the next video, we're gonna start tearing out pages and getting this book ready to be worked in. So yeah, so I hope you want to come along, and I will see you all soon in the next video. Bye.